Here to tell you a little bit about Temptu. It is a base primer. I'll give you a little bit about the product. So the description, it creates a poreless finish, diffuses imperfections in the skin, combats oil, and helps makeup last shine-free with their best-selling base primer. The benefits, and something that's so important to me because I have an oily T-zone, which means so your T-zone is like the center of your face, like your forehead, chin, nose area with the humidity, and even if it's not humid, but definitely worse with the humidity, my skin will get very oily and greasy looking in that area, and I always just try to combat it. So this works really, really great for that. So it controls the shine for a matte finish and smooths and evens out skin texture, paraben free and not compatible with airbrush guns for airbrush makeup. So the suggested use can diffuse the appearance of pores and fine lines, resulting in a perfect canvas on which to apply foundation. So that's perfect. I love putting a primer on because it just helps your skin look matte and so flawless, and once it kind of dries and sets in your skin and you're ready to apply the foundation, it makes your foundation last longer and it helps against oil. So I really, really love it for that reason, and Temptu is a really great product. They've been around for 35 years. Temptu has revolutionized airbrush makeup and created award-winning formulas to fuel the passion and artistry of professionals and their clientele. At Temptu, great things happen where beauty and technology meet, and that's kind of their slogan, and I definitely agree that they are such a wonderful product and inventive and awesome. So this is just a little trial size. If you watch my videos, I always get trial sizes on the products to try them out and see how I like them, and then if I like them, I'll go ahead and order the full size product. So this is a 7.5 milliliter 0.25 ounce little plastic bottle right there, but the normal size is 1 ounce, so you can get a 1 ounce container, which is good because under 1 ounce. So if you're flying outside the U.S. or anywhere, really, you could bring this with you on the plane, because I know they have a rule where 3 ounces and over, it has to be in your checked bag, or else you can't bring it in a carry-on. So the product dimensions are 1.2 by 1.5 by 3.5 inches. The shipping weight is 1.6 ounces. Shipping rates and policies can kind of vary, but yeah, just to give you guys a little overview. And I know a lot of people have tried the Temptu airbrush system and they want to try a Temptu primer to achieve the full effect, and this is definitely very perfect for that. It's a great primer. It makes my makeup last way longer than any other primer I've used, and makes my makeup last so much longer when I use this rather than not using a primer at all. So I definitely suggest that. I did hear too that if you use this with a silicone-based foundation and moisturizer, it will work the best and give you a nice airbrushed kind of effect. So I think that is pretty cool. I think that this is good for sensitive skin. I'm glad I tried it because the last primer that I was using, I feel like wasn't as good, and I'm really glad that I found this. So it just says Base Smooth and Matte Primer, and their website is www.temptu.com. And now for the exciting part, I love to open it up and show you guys. So I like that it's like got a little spout. It's got like a different opening than some other products. You just squeeze a little bit out. And you don't need a whole lot, I would say like maybe 6 dots of these just and kind of blend them on your face. It feels silky smooth, not too thick, blends in right away, and isn't oily at all. Really nice texture. I'm all about the texture with products. It doesn't have too much of a scent, like really at all. I think it's pretty much unscented for the most part, but that's totally fine. I mean, you don't need your face to really smell like anything, and sometimes if products aren't all natural and they add scents to it, that can be bad for sensitive skin. So you know what? It's better off not having a scent most of the time. So if you have that oily T-zone on your face like me and you've tried a bunch of products, please try this one out if you haven't found one that you like yet. I'm telling you, I have dry skin, but I get the oily T-zone, and this product I have like a combination skin, and it works perfect through me, and I absolutely love it. Applies easy, great texture, and won't make your makeup look caked on or anything. So I hope that you guys will try this, and I know it'll make your makeup stay on better. So this is good for daily use, or if you're going out to an event and you really want your makeup to stay on. And I know sometimes, like, I'll go to a wedding and you're like getting hot because you're dancing and moving around, and I think that it's so much better to use primer than to just put on foundation on your skin without a primer. So please, guys, try out Temptu Face Primer, and I hope that you guys love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks so much for watching.